Hello. Today we will discuss about vitamins. What are vitamins? Vitamins are essential organic compounds that our body need in traces or small amount to work properly. These nutrients play a critical role in various functions of the body, including immune function, energy production, and cell growth and repair. Since the body cannot produce most vitamins naturally or in sufficient amounts, they must be obtained through food or supplements. Vitamins are classified into two major types: fat-soluble and water-soluble vitamins. First of all, we will discuss about the fat-soluble vitamins. These vitamins are absorbed along with dietary fats and are stored in the body's fatty tissue and liver. They are released when needed, making it impossible for the body to store them for long periods. Fat-soluble vitamins include vitamin A. Its function is that it is essential for vision, immunity, and skin. Its sources are carrot, spinach, liver, and sweet potatoes. These are rich in vitamin A. And the deficiency diseases are night blindness, dry skin, and weakened immune function. Next type is vitamin D. Its function is to help in the absorption of calcium and potassium, ultimately promoting bone health and immune function. Its sources are sunlight, fortified milk, fatty fish, and egg yolks. And the deficiency disease is rickets and osteomalacia. Next is vitamin E. Its function is it acts as an antioxidant by protecting cell from damage from antioxidizing agents. Its sources are nuts, seeds, vegetable oils, leafy green vegetables. And the deficiency disease is nerve damage, muscle weakness, and immune system problems. Next type is vitamin K. Vitamin K is important for clotting of blood and bones. Its sources are leafy greens, broccoli, and fish. And its deficiency disease is excessive bleeding and easy bruising. Next, next we will discuss about water-soluble vitamins. These vitamins are dissolved in water and are not stored in the body. Therefore, they require to be replenished regularly through daily diet. Water-soluble vitamins include vitamin C. Vitamin C is important for collagen synthesis, antioxidant protection, and immune support. And its sources are citrus fruits, strawberries, bell peppers, and broccoli. And the deficiency diseases is scurvy, which is the bleeding gums, joint pains, and fatigue. The next type is vitamin B1, also known as thiamine. Its function is crucial for energy metabolism and nerve function, and its sources are whole grains, legumes, and pork. And the deficiency disease is beriberi. Beriberi is the muscle weakness and nerve damage. The next type is vitamin B2, also known as riboflavin. It is involved in energy production and the metabolism of fats, proteins, and carbohydrates. Its sources are dairy products, eggs, leafy green vegetables, and fortified cereals. And the deficiency disease is riboflavinosis, which is cracks in the skin, sore throat, and swollen tongue. Next is vitamin B3, also known as niacin. It helps in energy production and the maintenance of healthy skin, nerves, and digestion. And its sources are poultry fish, whole grains, and legumes. And the deficiency disease is pellagra, which is dermatitis, diarrhea, and dementia. Vitamin B5, also known as pantothenic acid. Its function is for the synthesis of coenzyme A, which is vital in energy metabolism. And the sources are chicken, beef. Next type is vitamin B7, also known as biotin. It supports metabolic processes, including the fats, carbohydrates, and proteins breakdowns. And its sources are eggs, nuts, seeds, and fish. And the deficiency diseases are hair loss, brittle nails, and skin rashes. Next is vitamin B9, also known as folate or folic acid. It is necessary for DNA synthesis and cell division processes, especially important during pregnancy period. Its sources are leafy greens, legumes, and fortified cereals. And the deficiency disease is neural tube defect in pregnancy and megaloblastic anemia. Vitamin B12, also known as cobalamin. It is crucial for erythrocytes formation and neurological functions, and its sources are animal products like dairy products, eggs, and meat. And the deficiency disease is pernicious anemia, nerve damage, and cognitive decline. Now, I will discuss the importance of vitamins. As we have discussed earlier, that vitamins are vital for maintaining good health and preventing a wide range of diseases. Each vitamin plays its specific role in supporting different functions of the body. It is required and for the immune health, vitamins like A, C, D, and E assist the immune system fight infections. Vitamins B are important for converting food into energy and supporting metabolic processes. Vitamin D aids calcium absorption, while vitamin K supports bone strength. And vitamins help in DNA synthesis, cell repair, and the maintenance of healthy tissues. And vitamins like E and C protect the body from oxidative stress and cellular damage.